Well, the 5 days definitely not enough to
Definitely not
get
enough.
into the field or something, but that was enough knowledge. I wasn't expecting that much because of the 5 days.
Yeah.
Because I think on the third day we just getting started,
Okay.
and the 5 days completely not enough, but it's great.
Thank
Thank you for these 5 days, and it was very concentrated, and I think these 5 days can be expanded for a couple of years in university.
Okay.
It's so clearly, we already can jump into something.
As you guys all know, Zach, he's a great teacher. Very
Thank
good
you.
at explaining, and there's not much more you can ask for. I feel like these 5 days, you really get an idea if you want to be in this field or not. And sometimes for some people, sometimes not. Because when you sign up, this is what you think you want to do, right?
Yes.
And I feel like some people, it might not be for them, but if you get a good idea of what you're getting into, and I feel like if you really want to get into the industry, I feel like you should take this class instead of wasting a whole year in community college, and then you're like, oh man, I don't think I want to do this anymore.